Located just across the Peoria County line in northeast Fulton County, we have a beautiful 190-acre tract. This is set up for trophy hunting specifically. The Tillable lies in the center of the farm with the bedding cover on the south and north ends. The 48 tillable acres has an average PI of 119. Copperras Creek flows through the north section, offering very easy access in the stands, camouflaging sound and scent. There's an ideal build site in the northeast corner of the farm. Electricity is in place and a small fishing pond. New trail system with multiple creek crossings was also established for easy access. We just created and seeded a new food plot in the north section of the timber. There's multiple stand sites and it's ready to hunt this fall. The trophy potential of this property is outstanding, and I'm going to let the cameras do the talking for me. If you have any questions or would like a tour, contact Matt Cox or myself, Don Wagner.